Okay, as you remember, this is the rock that I did on the ship on the transatlantic cruise that my wife and I were on. Just for fun, I'm going to make a kind of a sandy beach down here. And I use liquid frisket or masking fluid, and I applied it with a straw. I've got a video on this. Never use a brush when you mess around with liquid frisket. It ruins your brushes. Always use a straw. And that's what I did right there. So let's see. Let's see what we can do here. I've just got plain water, and we'll drop some raw sienna. We'll come in kind of dark here. Well, not too dark, but so this could be sand. Sandy beach, and there's that's kind of fun. I could have done this on the ship, but I didn't bring any masking fluid to make these little rocks, so that's why I'm doing it here in the studio. And let's get a bloom, a couple blooms here. Okay, I'll be back to show you the finished product here. All right, I'm dropping in some color in the sky, and I put in the ocean back here. I'm going to highlight these rocks when I come back. So we'll just let all this dry. I'll be back. Okay. Again, back in the studio, dropped in some clouds. I used masking fluid. And where's the straw? Masking fluid and straw to put these little rocks in. And then I highlighted the rocks with a pencil. That makes them pop. Put a little shadow like that. So this is what you can do. You can play around and paint outside your studio, say a rock like this, and when you're back in the studio you can have fun, put in clouds, whatever you want. So let me show you the rock. Nice close-up on that. We've got some little rocks down here, and with the sky, had a little bloom here. So that's a good look. So everyone have a wonderful day.